Currently, I work as a data engineer. The secret is just follow the process. It works. Colaberry just teaches you how to drive. You will decide if you want to drive a Ferrari, if you want to drive an electric car or whatever. The training I got from Colaberry, I am able to do those jobs without going to anybody to ask that, how should I do this? So that is Colaberry. Just stay focused and you will get there.
Awesome. Oh my God. We are so proud of you, Bibian. This is amazing. You have really evolved, and I really appreciate how far you have grown. If you guys can really pick, I don't know if anyone picking any hint and any cues from the things that she was saying. She was dropping so many nuggets, like sacrifice, consistency, focus. I love the fact that you said Colaberry teaches you how to drive. So you got to choose if you want to do Ferrari or Tesla, and how far you want to drive it, how far you want to go. I love that analogy. I love that. So Colaberry provides you everything you need, literally, the tools you need. It's been given to you. Now it's on you to now decide what you do with that. How far do you go? How far do you want to go? That depends on you. And you have to sacrifice. Sacrifice. If you think you're gonna go through this journey like a disco and just like, hey, let's just chill, that would not work. Like she said, there'll be times where you want to give up. There'll be times where you just want to throw in the towel. You are so frustrated. You're tired. Oh my God, I can't figure it out. Know that Colaberry has the resources for you. You have support. Okay, you're not alone, and that's why you guys are gonna be paired in different groups. So you don't work this journey alone. Even when you complete your boot camp and you get into career accelerator stage, you even have a mentor that has been assigned to you. So throughout this journey, you are not alone. So make use of every single support system that is being provided to you here at Colaberry. And I know that you guys are going to do great. So Bibian, thank you so much for joining us today. We love you. We appreciate you always. We're always happy to have you come back and, talk to us. So thank you so much.